It's great that ARWE are working with Real College in wind turbine maintenance apprenticeship programmes, which we much needed. It's a really good facility. Jim O'Toole from Austin has said that we also need marine skills for the transfer vessels, and there's a big shortage in that. And he's hoping that he could have a unit on the site, and he's willing to work with a local college to give students proper practical skills, because there's nothing like learning on the job there. First Minister, would you agree that colleges need a clear vision and guidance to effectively meet the needs of employers and individuals going forward?
Thanks very much. And of course, that is the intention of the Regional Skills Partnership boards. They should be making sure that they are listening to people like Jim O'Toole, coming back to the colleges and making sure that that is being delivered. I think we've got a bit more work to do to tighten up the relationship between the needs of businesses and the provision of courses in Wales.